Every year, when winter returns, so does the same question. Why are the snowstorms getting worse? Tonight, a warning has been issued across 2 U.S. states, New York and Vermont, where up to 18 inches of snow will bury entire communities from Sunday morning to Monday night. But this storm is not just weather. It's a warning signal, a sign of a collapsing climate system, and a glimpse of what winters may look like in the years ahead. This is the story behind the storm, a story of science, suffering, and a future no one is prepared for. Welcome to Rootify Myst. A storm builds in silence. Long before people see the first snowflake, the atmosphere is silently preparing. Cold Arctic air slips downward, mixing with warm moisture from the Atlantic. When these forces collide, nature sharpens a new winter weapon. The National Weather Service issued the alert first. Prepare for up to 18 inches of snow, difficult to impossible travel, gusty winds, hazardous conditions. A simple message, but hidden inside it is something far bigger. Because winter storms like this, storms that paralyze cities, stop transportation, and shut down daily life, are becoming more frequent and more extreme. Why? The climate paradox. Why warmer Earth means colder storms. It sounds impossible. The planet is warming, so why are winters getting colder and snowstorms getting stronger? Scientists call it the climate-winter paradox. As global temperatures rise, Arctic ice melts faster. Warm oceans release more moisture. Jet streams become unstable. Cold air escapes southward. This creates the perfect setup for record-breaking snow, far more than what people experienced 20 to 30 years ago. So no, this 18-inch snowstorm is not an accident. It's part of a larger story, one shaped by climate change and atmospheric chaos. State of emergency, New York and Vermont. New York. Northern Herkimer County, up to 14 inches of accumulated snow, visibility dropping below 1 mile, snow falling nearly 1 inch per hour. Southeastern St. Lawrence County, 6 to 12 inches expected. Southern Franklin and western Clinton counties up to 15 inches with winds reaching 35 miles per hour. These winds can snap power lines and leave entire neighborhoods in the dark. Vermont. 5 counties, Washington, Orleans, eastern Chittenden, eastern Franklin, and Lemoy, are bracing for 10 to 18 inches of heavy snow on the northwestern slopes. Lower areas face an even deadlier threat, ice. Just a thin sheet is enough to turn the morning commute into a field of frozen danger. The human struggle, travel, power, and panic. The NWS warns, roads, especially bridges and overpasses, are likely to become slick and hazardous. But it's not just slippery roads. It's visibility dropping to nothing. It's highways becoming long stretches of trapped vehicles. It's emergency services unable to reach people in time. And then there are the power outages. Heavy snow bends trees, snaps branches, tears down electrical lines. One broken cable can leave thousands freezing in darkness. For many, winter storms are not dramatic news headlines. They are living nightmares. The Winter Survival Code. Authorities urge people to prepare. Carry a winter kit with a flashlight, extra batteries, booster cables, a shovel, sand, food, water, warm clothing, blankets, first aid kit, battery-powered radio. Drivers are warned to tell someone their travel plans in case they disappear into the storm. This is not exaggeration. Every winter, hundreds of people go missing because their cars slide off icy roads, hidden in snowbanks for hours. Why winter storms keep returning? Every winter brings the same cycle. More moisture, more instability, more atmospheric chaos, stronger storms, higher snow totals. The planet warms, the oceans heat up, the air holds more moisture. Snowstorms become more extreme. So, ironically, warmer Earth equals bigger snowstorms. That is the terrifying paradox of our time. What happens next? Weather experts predict more snow in higher elevations, rapid changes in road conditions, increased risk of falling on icy surfaces, higher chances of power outages. The storm will end, but the pattern will continue. This winter, next winter, and the winters after that. Because we're not just experiencing storms, we're experiencing a climate system breaking its rhythm. Dark ending. As New York and Vermont brace for 18 inches of snow, the world watches. Not because the storm is unique, but because storms like this are now becoming the new normal. A warning written in ice and delivered by nature itself. This winter is only the beginning. This is Rootify Myst.